Well, the rainy season is finally here after a super long winter, and this is a season that a lot of people love to hate, and it's really not a time at all to be upset about. We just came out of a crazy dry season last year, and so I'm really glad to see that the rains are coming. We should have a really green year, which is awesome. A couple days ago, we launched our DIY land design course, and we had a 2-hour webinar with over 150 people and 300 that signed up, which are going to be getting that video here right away. And some incredible questions from landowners all over the world asking us about our design process. And so I wanted to make sure that you guys all knew where you could get access to this free webinar. If you want to learn about our design process and how we look at the holistic design of land and how we can put this rain to productive use on our properties, large or small, I highly recommend going out and checking that out. I'll leave a link to the show notes below. If you just click on that link, you'll go to my website and just scroll down to the options to purchase the DIY land design course, and there's a free option there which will give you access to the 2-hour webinar. Just follow the instructions. If you do end up watching it and you find it interesting or you want more information, shoot me a note or request a callback. There's also a request a callback button there that you can look at to get more information. I'd love to chat with you about it. Anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna enjoy this rain. There's a bit of sun coming out too at the same time. And it's always a wonderful time of year when we start getting all this rain and things start greening up after our long, gray, cold winter. Okay, have an awesome day, guys. Another week and we'll be back to normal YouTube live time. Got lots of great shows planned for spring and summer, and lots of information coming down the pipeline with regards to permaculture and regenerative land management, renewable energy, and a whole bunch of other things. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you find these videos useful, please hit the like button and share them with your friends. Okay, have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.